Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's proceed with the Maths Olympiad practice questions. So here we are doing pattern questions. So we finished till here. So let's take our next question. Can you put the 32 balls in the boxes below so that there are equal number of balls in every line? Okay, so we have 32 balls. We need to keep it in these boxes. Okay, so that's a very simple question. So 32 balls divided by number of boxes, if you do it, you will get it, the each box will have how many balls. Okay, so 32 divided by, so how many boxes we have? So we have like middle 4 boxes and corner 4 boxes, so together 8 boxes are there. So 32 divided by 8, which is equal to 4, means each box we have 4 balls. Okay, so that's how we need to do this question. That's a very easy question. So let's proceed to our next questions. So here we have our next pattern. So in patterns mostly we will have only 4 operations, so that is addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. If there are like direct questions, then there is no issue, but if there are like indirect questions like adding up even number, adding up odd number, or adding up prime number, or Fibonacci series, like if you add first 2 terms you will get the third term, or for the middle term if you are adding the 2 neighbors like first and third term, so then it would be quite challenging. So when you keep on practicing, you can easily identify the patterns. So it's just matter of practice. Okay, so let's proceed to this question. Find the 8th term of the sequence. So let's analyze the pattern first. 3 to 5, so it's plus 2, and then 5 to 9, it's plus 4, and then 9 to 15, it's plus 6. So now we got the clue. So here it is 8. Okay, 15 plus 8 is 23, so means these are all multiples of 2 values, right? So plus 10, and then plus 12, and then plus 14. So 33 plus 45 plus 12, and then 45 plus 14, which is equal to 59. Okay, so let's proceed to our next question. Find the 8th term of the sequence. Okay, so 1 plus 4 means plus 3 variation, and then plus 4 plus 11 means it's plus 7. So maybe plus 9 next one. No, it's not plus 9 next one, so means it's not following this pattern. So okay, we got 4 here, and we have 1 11. Okay, so add it, 1 plus 11, so we will get it 12, and then divided by 3. I'm getting the 4 here. Okay, fine. So I don't know whether it will work for the rest of the numbers or not, so let's check for the next values in the sequence. So what we need to do, add first and third term, then divide by 3. Okay, so 4 plus 29, which is 33 divided by 3, which is equal to 11. Okay, so I am able to get this value too. So let's try for the last value, and then again we will try the pattern checkup. Okay, so 199, we don't have any value here, so just consider it as x. 199 plus x divided by 3 is equal to 521. So with the help of this equation, we can get the value of x. So let's do simplification. 199 plus x is equal to 521 times 3. So 521 times 3 means how much? 1563. So 199 plus x is equal to 1563. So from this we can get the value of x. X is equal to 1563 minus 199, so which is equal to 1364. So let's verify it, whether what are the pattern we estimated, whether it is correct or wrong, whether it is working for the till last value or not. So let's write it down. 1364 plus 199 divided by 3. So we are getting Yes, because here we got the value 1563. Then divided by 3, so which is equal to 521. Okay, so the pattern is correct. We got 521. So that's how we need to do this question. So this type of questions bit challenging, but when you keep on practicing, we can easily identify the pattern. Okay, so let's proceed to our next question. Find the 6th, 7th, 8th terms of the sequence. So let's see here. 3, 4 is 1, 3, 9 is plus 6. Okay, 4 plus 10. Yeah, this is also plus 6 means. So here we have pattern like between first, third and then 5th term. So we are adding plus 6, and for the even terms we are adding that 2, that's also plus 6. Okay, so and one more pattern also will exist for this sequence. So if it is odd number, then we are adding 1. If it is an even number, we are adding 5, right? 4 plus 5, 9. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, so both the patterns work for this. Okay, so you can choose any of this pattern and do your next value. So I'm taking plus 6 pattern, but be careful while you take plus 6 pattern, as we need to write down the correct values. Okay, so if you couldn't able to take the right numbers, right terms, then you won't write the proper values, you won't get it proper values. Okay, so let's do 10 plus 6. If you add it, then we need to write down in the even sequence. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16, we need to write down here. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21, we should write down here. And then 16 plus 6 we need to write down here, which is 22. Okay, so that's how we need to solve this question. So both the patterns will work. You can take like odd, if it is odd number you can add 1, and if it is even number you need to add 5, or this. So next question, find the 7th and 8th terms of the sequence. Let's analyze the sequence. 2, 4, 8, 14, 22, 32. So this is plus 2 and this is plus 4. Again plus 6 and then plus 8 plus 10. So it's like same multiples of 2, right? So we can easily get these values of 7th and 8th terms. Let's see next question. Here it is plus 2 and then plus 4, then plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. So for next value we need to add plus 8 and then plus 10, then plus 12. So 32 plus 12, so which is 44, and then 14 we need to add, which is 58. Let's proceed to our next question. Find the 7th and 8th terms of the sequence. So let's analyze it. Plus 2, between 1 and 3 it's plus 2, right? And if I say 3 plus 3 and then 6 plus 2. Okay, so here we have two things, that is addition and multiplication. So here from here to here it is plus 2 and then a times 2. Okay, then again plus 2, again times 2, so on. Okay, so from first one term to second term we need to do addition and then we need to do time. So the sequence will follow like this. Then let's see, from 16 to 18 it's plus 2, then after 18 words it's times 2. So 18 times 2, which is 36. Then from 36 to, so this is plus 2, and here we will write down 36, and then 36 to plus 2, 38, and then check whether whatever we have pattern, so that is correct or not. 38 times 2, which is 76. So absolutely correct. So that's it for today's class. I hope you understood all the questions. So if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment box. So we'll see one more class. So then we'll proceed to the next topic. Bye bye. See you in the next session. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.